Welcome back to MotorMinds, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews. Today, we're diving into a true embodiment of British performance and elegance, the new 2025 Jaguar F-TYPE R. This iconic sports car has been updated to push the boundaries of power and sophistication, making it a perfect blend of luxury and thrill. The 2025 Jaguar F-TYPE R retains its classic proportions, with a low, slung body and a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that immediately draws attention. The car has been subtly refined to enhance its athletic stance, featuring a sculpted hood, redesigned LED headlights, and a larger grille that emphasizes its aggressive yet refined nature. The rear of the F-TYPE R is equally captivating, with quad exhaust tips and updated LED taillights that seamlessly blend into the car's bold lines. Under the hood, the F-TYPE R packs a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engine that churns out an impressive 575 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, allowing for lightning-fast gear changes. Jaguar's intelligent driveling dynamics all-wheel drive system ensures the car stays planted, providing exceptional grip and confidence on any road surface. This setup allows the F-TYPE R to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 186 mph. Stepping inside, the F-TYPE R's cabin is a haven of luxury and advanced technology. The interior is dominated by high-quality materials, including Windsor leather, suede cloth, and aluminum accents. The 12.3-inch configurable driver display provides all the essential driving information, while the centrally mounted 10-inch touchscreen houses Jaguar's latest FTYPE Pro infotainment system. This system supports over-the-air updates and offers seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For audiophiles, the F-TYPE R comes equipped with a Meridian surround sound system, ensuring an immersive audio experience. The 2025 F-TYPE R also offers a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The car's dynamics have been fine-tuned with a new adaptive suspension system, larger brakes, and a recalibrated steering setup to offer precision handling without compromising ride comfort. When it comes to safety, Jaguar has equipped the 2025 F-TYPE R with its latest safety technologies, including autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle for easier maneuvering in tight spaces. This combination of performance and safety makes the F-TYPE R not only a thrill to drive but also a safe choice for a high-performance sports car. If you're in the market for a sports car that offers a perfect balance of luxury, technology, and raw performance, the 2025 Jaguar F-TYPE R is a compelling choice. With its powerful V8 engine, refined interior, and striking design, it's a car that commands attention and delivers an exhilarating driving experience every time you get behind the wheel. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Jaguar F-TYPE R. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Jaguar's latest masterpiece, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you think about the new F-TYPE R. And don't forget to subscribe to MotorMinds for more in-depth car reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.